Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update for week 35. As per usual, if you've missed any of my pregnancy updates up to this point, I will go ahead and link the playlist up in a card above, as well as linking all of the individual videos down below for you if you want to go check them out. And I will also go ahead and link all of my previous pregnancy and mommy related videos. I've got a bunch of baby hauls, a bunch of baby clothing hauls, and my baby shower haul, all that kind of stuff. I will go ahead and link down below for you if you missed any of those. But today we are talking about week 35. As you can see, I have a little bit of a different background going on here. I am filming from the baby's nursery, so you can see a little bit of her crib here in the back, and then I've got a little sleeper over here. So yeah, I am planning on doing a full nursery tour video here in the very near future, so definitely stay tuned to see that video. But other than that, I've got a pretty short update for you guys today. These last few weeks, there's really not very much going on. You would think that the last few weeks of pregnancy would be like the busiest with the most happening, but the baby is pretty much completely developed at this point and is just putting on weight. So it's kind of just a waiting game while the baby bulks up. There's not really a ton happening. So I have a few little DIY nursery decor things that I was working on during the week that I thought it would be kind of fun to give you guys a little sneak peek of those. You can see a little tiny bit of one up in the corner right here. So anyway, I thought that would be fun to show you guys some little DIY decor that I've been working on. And other than that, let's just go ahead and get into this week's update. For cravings this week, Cafe Rio again has been such a huge craving. I mentioned in last week's pregnancy update, which again, I will go ahead and link. I was not a fan of Mexican food at all before I was pregnant, and now I can't stop eating Cafe Rio. I don't know what the deal is, but this baby really, really likes Mexican food, so I've been eating Cafe Rio a ton. I've also been really craving barbecue chips a lot and brownies this week. Chocolate cake and brownies have been huge cravings for me, and in the beginning of my pregnancy I actually really thought I was having a boy because any kind of sweets made me so sick to my stomach. And they say usually with a girl you crave sweets more, and with a boy you crave more savory or salty things, and I did not want sweets at all, so I was convinced that it was a boy. But I'm definitely making up for the lack of sweets cravings in the beginning because I'm super craving them now. So I've been craving Mexican food and chocolate a lot this week. Symptoms, I've been having a lot of pelvic pain, especially pressure, lots and lots of pressure down there. And I think it's because the baby, if you didn't know, if you haven't catched my previous updates, my baby is breech. So I think that she is just kind of settling her bum down into my pelvis, and that is why there's so much pressure down there. Normally the baby's head would be down there, and that's why you'd be feeling that, but her head is definitely not down there. It's definitely the other end. So I think that she's just kind of dropping and getting settled into my pelvis, and that's why I've been feeling so much pressure down there. But that is definitely a huge symptom this week. Also, just a ton of bloating and heartburn as per usual, but I feel like this week especially there's been a lot of that going around. Going to the bathroom a lot, several times throughout the night, all day long, every day, throughout the entire day, just peeing all the time. I've been having a lot of exhaustion, just super tired. I take a nap every possible chance I get. As soon as I'm home from work, I'm in my pajamas and I'm in bed taking a nap until dinner time because I've just been so tired. Also, I don't know if it's normal for your breasts to leak off and on, but my breasts have completely stopped leaking at this point, so I don't know if, like I said, if that's normal, that it kind of comes and goes, but it definitely started up a few weeks ago and has slowed down and actually stopped. I haven't noticed it for a couple of weeks now that my breasts have not been leaking anymore. So again, I don't know if that's normal during pregnancy, that it is supposed to kind of come and go like that, but definitely have noticed that has slowed down a lot. Other than that, for week 35, we started telling everyone the name that we picked out for the baby. I mentioned in last week's update that we did finally pick a name, so we've been telling all of our friends and family the name that we have picked out for her, and also just getting the hospital bags packed up and ready to go. I do have a what's in my baby's hospital bag video that is going to go up here very, very soon if it's not up already, and then I also just filmed a what's in my hospital bag video the other day, so that will be up soon as well. And then other than that, I'm just trying to get the nursery all ready and put together, doing a lot of DIY decor and stuff. Now that we have her name picked out, we can make some more like personalized pieces for the nursery and stuff, so that has been super fun. But yeah, that is pretty much it for week 35. Short and simple and sweet this week, not a ton to mention, but that is okay. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the DIY decor that I have been working on. So I don't want to give you too much of a spoiler here, but I did make one of those big DIY floral letters to go on her wall. So all of the flowers that you are seeing right here are from the Dollar Tree. And then I honestly just used a piece of cardboard from my Honest Company subscription box. I just cut off some of the cardboard and made the letter, and then I hot glued all of the flowers on there, and it turned out super cute, and I'm really excited to show you guys in her nursery tour. But this took me a really, really long time, and it is so adorable. So there is that I've been working on. I also used the same colors of flowers to make this DIY nursery mobile. So I used this gold ribbon, which I got from Walmart. This entire spool of ribbon was $1. And then to put it on the ceiling, I just used a little ceiling hook and a key ring, which again, super cheap from Walmart. Like I said, all of the flowers here are from the Dollar Tree, and I didn't do any gluing or anything on this. I literally just stuck all of these in. And then the wreath itself is just this beautiful, like, wood twisted wreath looking thing. And I got that from Walmart, and it was, I believe, $4.99. So I think this whole mobile probably was about $15 to $20 to do. And it turned out so stinking cute. I'm so proud of this. And I absolutely love how it looks. It is so sweet, and like I said, I literally just stuck the flowers in. I considered filming while I was making it, just to do like a DIY baby mobile to show you guys how to do it, but I legit bought the wreath and stuck the flowers in and tied the gold ribbon to the wreath and hung it. So it was a super easy, but anyway, it turned out really cute and I'm super proud of it. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's pregnancy update. If you enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future updates. Like I said, all of my previous updates will be listed down below. If you have not been following along with this pregnancy, definitely be sure to go and check all of those out. And if you are pregnant, leave me a comment down below and let me know how far along you are and how your pregnancy is going. I love chatting with you guys back and forth in the comments, so leave me a comment down below. And other than that, I will see you guys for my next update video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.